To make my quick porridge beans, added vegetable oil, onions, my plantain, steam fried it a little bit, took it out, went back with the onions, tomatoes, still seasoning, knorr cube, scotch bonnet pepper, Cameroon pepper, cow skin. Feel free to use any protein of your choice, garlic powder, ginger powder. My beans was well cooked. I went in with it. Crayfish, covered it, tested for salt, adjusted. I have a few videos of how to make beans in my YouTube channel. Added my plantain again. And the food is ready. I hope this video has been helpful, guys. Thank you.